I use this three for my face, and this is what I use to brighten up my skin, the serums, as you can see. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Pretty Sunshine Omar, and in today's video I'll be showing you my night care routine, what I use at night in order to achieve a brighter complexion safely. So that is, I'll be showing you guys my night skincare routine. Now I would have done this video at night, but due to no light and stuff, that will not be possible. So I'm doing this video right now. So do bear with me if I'm not showing you practically how I use it. But just know that this is what I use at night, specifically at night, to achieve glowness and a healthy skin. Now let's head off with the first tip. Now the first skincare product that I am using as somebody that have an oily prone skin is a cleanser. Now, right, so at night I use this simple refreshing facial wash, healthy and looking skin. So this is what I use at night to wash my face. Now I wash my face for complete 60 seconds. 60 seconds. I don't wash my face for 10 seconds, neither do I wash my face for 30 seconds. No, I wash my face for 60 seconds. Now, why I'm washing my face for 60 seconds is order to properly remove the dirt on my face, so I don't rush when washing my face. So if you have not been washing your face for complete 60 seconds, please start now. Start washing your face for 60 seconds. So once again, this is what I use. Now this does not have a smell, neither does this has any color, no harsh chemicals inside of it. And that is what my skin really needs at this moment. As somebody that is an oily, acne prone, I don't need anything that is going to be harsh on my skin. I don't need anything that is going to be too sensitive for it. So this is what I use. Simple, refreshing for washing of my face at night. And also use this in the morning, just so you know. Now, I do go in with a toner, of course. Now, I go in with this Dr. Rachel Vitamin C slash Niacinamide Brightening Essence Toner. This is what I have been using. As you can see, guys, I'm halfway through it. So now this is what I use. Now, one of the benefits of this essence is that it has a vitamin C. It has vitamin C inside of it, which helps in brightening of my skin. Now, at times my skin looks dull due to stress. So this, due to its active ingredient, which is vitamin C, helps to do what? To brighten up my skin. And I'm battling with dark spots too and large pores. So due to the niacinamide inside of this, it helps in making my pores look smaller, and my dark spots, they are quite actually fading because I'm consistent with what I use. So once again, this is what I'm using: the Dr. Rachel Vitamin C and Niacinamide Brightening Essence Toner. As you can see, this is actually affordable. You can get it. I use this also in the morning, just so you know, and I use it at night. Now moving over to my serum. Yeah, because I have like so many serums, just so you know. Let me get it. So this is the first serum that I use. If you guys know me very well, you know that sunshine is always with niacinamide right now. So I use Beauty Formula Illuminating Serum that contains 10% of niacinamide inside of it. Now this is the 30 ml of this. This is what I am using. Now is this is 10% of niacinamide, which is very high, but not that high. So this works. Now, what I do is I use this 4 times in a week. I was once using it every day, and I found out that my skin was not understanding it at all. My skin was not really understanding what was happening. So I was not using it. I'm not using it 4 times in a week. Now, why I'm using it 4 times in a week is because of my skin. So when I use it 4 times in a week, I found out it's more super effective. And the method that I'm doing is what we call skin fasting. Skincare fasting. That is, so skincare fasting is whereby you use a product today, you don't use it tomorrow. You use it the next day, you don't use it the next day. So something like that. So that's what I'm currently doing with my serum, and it's been so good, so well with me. So this is what I use at night. So when I'm done applying my toner, I like to sink on my face. I go in with a serum. Yes, so I go in with this particular serum for night. This is what I use for night, so you know. So I use vitamin C mostly in the morning, but my niacinamide comes at night. Then I go in with this. Most sometimes I go in with this. Now this is the Face Fact Ceramic Skin Barrier Complex Moisturizing Clay Cream. Now it contains oats and ceramide inside of it. Now this was what I was using. In fact, this is what I use because of a damaged skin barrier that I once had. So this is for those who have a damaged skin barrier like I. You can get this. Now this repairs the skin very well. This will help you in repairing your skin, in helping you to achieve a healthy skin because of what it contains. But just so you know, for disclaimer purposes, this is not going to brighten your skin, baby girl. Ceramic does not brighten the skin, just so you know. And when you're done applying it, it has this oil texture inside of it. Look at A. So it's this way, it's creamy. But if you apply it on your face, it's going to, let me just use here. Now, if you apply it on your face, as you can see I'm doing, it's going to leave you with this shiny effect on your skin. So if you have an oily skin and you're still using this, it will still it will make you to have a shiny face, as you can see. This is the difference. So this is what I use, and I use it at night. Then I go in with what I got recently. This is what I got recently. This is the aloe vera moisturizer. Now I've been hearing hypes about this. I'm not gonna lie. That oh, this suits the face. If you have red face, you can go in with this. It will suit your face. If you have dark spot, sunburn, blah 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 blah. Right. So I bought it, and that is because I want to actually see if it what's the hype, right? So I'm not gonna give you a whole review about this yet, but this is just know that this is in Sunshine Skincare Routine. But I'll be giving you guys a personal review on this if it actually did work or not. Oh, now those are my skincare routines for my face. Now that is what I use at night for my face, and so far so good. My face is actually restoring. My face is coming back. It's consistency that will help you to achieve it. Then for my body, I'm gonna do a body care routine later on my next video. But this video is my face skincare routine, what I use to lighten up my own face. And don't forget to work on your inside while you're working at your outside. So please, girlies, it's not only about applying all these skincare products you're seeing here if you want to have a healthy skin. Do also do some work inside. There's some things you need to take. There's some natural supplements you can take. No, eat fruits, do workouts, relieve yourself from stress, sleep well, have a sleep of like 7 hours every time. Your skin will show you that yes, it is glowing. Because sometimes these pimples on your face are due to stress. You don't sleep early. You may be sleeping, and the only hours of sleep you are able to get is 4 to 3 hours. And you're expecting your skin to glow. And Gloria, it's not possible. Yes. So work on your schedule, work on your activities, and it's going to help with your body too. And don't forget to also take water and mind your business. It do helps in having a clear skin. Yes. And that is why you're seeing my own too. So that aside, guys, I hope you like my video, and don't forget to stay connected in this channel for more reviews, PR reviews, like product reviews that I'm gonna be doing. And don't forget to subscribe. But for now, bye bye, babies.